The second biggest phase of the staggered electoral fight to govern India will play out today, giving more than 180 million voters the right to have their say across these 117 Lok Sabha seats. A nail-biting round for the regional satraps, kingmakers and the game changers. What's more, this round will also have a bearing on the prime ministerial ambitions of AIADMK chief J. Jayalalitha and Samajwadi Party leader Mulayam Singh Yadav. Both of them are in the fray today. And in the second largest phase of the ongoing polls, the fate of over 2,000 candidates will be sealed today. The heavyweights in this phase include Salman Khurshid, Mulayam Singh Yadav, like you mentioned, Sushma Swaraj, amongst others.
It is time to put political promises to the ultimate test on 117 seats in the sixth phase of polling. It's time to seal the electoral fortunes of candidates in 39 Tamil Nadu constituencies, 19 in Maharashtra, 12 in Uttar Pradesh, 10 in neighbouring Madhya Pradesh, 7 each in Bihar and Chhattisgarh, 6 each in Assam and West Bengal, 5 in Rajasthan, 4 in Jharkhand and 1 each in Jammu and Kashmir and Puducherry. The corrupt and the crorpatis, the seasoned and the debutantes, sons of ministers and the president himself. A keen contest is on the cards. Will the 2G scam haunt the DMK's Dayanidhi Maran in Chennai Central? He may be known as Spectrum Raja, but can the AIADMK's C. Gopalakrishnan ignore him? The Union Finance Minister won from Sivaganga record 7 times, but can Karti Chidambaram bank on his father's legacy? In Uttar Pradesh, it's a fight for the Yadav family prestige. Samajwadi Party chief Mulayam Singh is defending the family bastion of Mainpuri for a second term. Daughter-in-law Dimple hopes to be re-elected from Kannauj. Once close to the Samajwadi Party chief, Amar Singh is taking his first poll test on an RLD ticket from Fatehpur Sikri. In Mathura, RLD leader Ajit Singh's son Jayant faces the BJP star candidate Hema Malini, the second richest candidate in this phase. In Etah, BJP leader and former UP Chief Minister Kalyan Singh's son is keeping his fingers crossed, while in Farrukhabad, Union Minister Salman Khurshid is in the fray. Billionaires, film stars, migrants and farmers will choose their leaders at 43,343 polling stations across 19 seats in Maharashtra. Star candidates in the race include young Congress leaders Milind Deora from South Mumbai, Priya Dutt from Mumbai North Central and Sanjay Nirupam from North Mumbai, all hoping for a repeat of the party's 2009 performance. Controversial PWD Minister Chhagan Bhujbal is up against the Aam Aadmi Party's Vijay Pandare, a whistleblower in the state irrigation scam. It's big names and big honour at stake. It's Mehboob versus Mehbooba in Anantnag. Will Vidisha vote once again for Sushma Swaraj? It's not an easy pitch for Mohammad Azharuddin in Tonk Savai Madhopur either, while 2 former chief ministers face off in Jharkhand's Dumka. The BJP's high-profile Muslim face Shahnawaz Hussain is eyeing a hat-trick from Bhagalpur. It's time to sift the noise from the facts. Time to vote for a better India. Bureau Report, headlines today.